Alright, and welcome to the Android application development course. So, for the beginners, I will assist you throughout this course. Without further delay, let's start to learn. So, first of all, should explain before you get too far in this course, who should take this course. So this course is an absolute beginner course, which means that you do not have to know anything about Android programming to begin. In fact, it would be better off if you don't. Now, yeah, that's where you will think I'm an expert, and really, who doesn't want to learn from an expert? Anyway, you will learn everything that you ever wanted to know about Android development, and even if you do not know how to write code, it's okay because you were going to learn how to do the programming concepts, and this course is basically designed to teach you how to think like a programmer, how to write a codes, and how to build an application and everything like that. Also, who are you if you want to know something about coding and you want to learn Android development? For example, if you know C programming language or a Java programming language, it is good for you that you know your programming experience to develop great applications. You can combine what you knew before and what you learning now and what you will learn in this course. So if you want to be an Android developer, you should also take this an Android application and how to build the application and good and in great application. Now you are probably scratching your head now. Alright, you got me so far, but I am going to take you. Now, so first of all, you will learn the Java programming as a language because we will use Java to build Android application in this course. Now, of course, there are two popular programming languages to build Android applications. You know that there are courses, Java and the Kotlin. Okay, so why we use Java and Kotlin? Java is a programming language that has been used for many years, and you can find a lot of resources about Android development using Java. And if you have a trouble in your code, that you can find solution from the internet and any code here of the software companies who are looking the developer like you are gonna be used Java in their application development process. So it's a skill that you must have now because of all the reason I have explained. We will be using the Java programming language, and without knowing these languages in practical develop an Android applications. Have I ever made clear? So okay, if you know the Java, it's okay because you are going to learn in this course and you are going to learn the basic information about Java and programming concepts as well. Okay, so if you know Java as a programming language, then you can skip this part and go right to the application development chapter. Alright, so far you have learned Java programming. We will start to learn Android Studio. Android Studio is an official integrated development environment or an IDE for Android development. So we are going to learn Android Studio platform and its working system, and then you're going to learn about the Android ecosystem. So Android is an operating system like Windows but for mobile. It's popularly increasing every single day. This is not your that is Android. Android is not only for phone anymore. It's only uses tablet and smart watches. With increasing use of Android operating system, the need of new Android application is increasing. So as well, the reason and probably more I have neglected or edited out. So I need an Android application developer is also increasing, right? You get that? So that's logic so far. Recognizing the Android ecosystem, you are going to learn the Android components. The Android application components are the essential building blocks of an Android application. You will learn how to build Android application in this chapter. and you will see every Android components and how to build perfect Android application. Now, as I said, perfect, in case you haven't done this thing so far, you're going to learn Android application, build an Android application throughout the length of this course. You will develop 2 Android applications and they will be absolutely complete and, what did I say, perfect. So you will also learn how to publish your app on the Google Play. You are going to learn how to open Android developer accounts and how to publish your app in the Google Play Store. So I hope this generated some kind of excitement. You continue on this course. So after the introduction, I hope it's pretty. We are going to start a new chapter. Now look, I already sincerely hope that you will be a good Android application developer. I'm gonna look for you in the Google Play Store. Thank you.